I call this pasta alla bab. Joey's food fight. Hey, it's Joey's food fight. We're at Deborah's place. About a total of 80 women we're cooking for. We're making an Italian dish that Mama Babs, my mother, created. Ready, set, let's go! I like chunky Parmesan cheese. This is fresh Parmesan from Max's. They didn't have a grater here. I love it when it's chunky like this. That is a really good quality Parmesan cheese. Check it out.
Check it out.
Let it melt right into the pasta. A little oil. Come on over here. This is spicy Italian sausage. I like to brown it, get it really brown. Look at that. Look at all that beautiful oil. Yummy, yummy. And now, French technique that I learned in culinary school. Deglaze the flavor. A little bit of wine. All that flavor, why would you want to waste all that flavor? Right, Alla? So, what's going on in Ukraine right now? I just got an article from my friend Petro. And Alla knows people where a hospital was bombed by Russia. They must be so proud of themselves. Fucking bombing hospitals.
Children's hospital.
Obviously, tons of children. Look at this. I mean, it makes me absolutely crazy. Check out that flavor. So, I have a solution for how to solve all this death. Did you know that I just looked this up on the Google bot? What percent, Alla, of sociopaths are men? Take a guess.
10.
Percentage of sociopaths are men or women? Take a better guess. You don't think more men are psychopaths?
Yeah.
So what percent of psychopaths are men?
Oh, 80%.
85%. So I have the fucking solution. We get rid of all the male world leaders. We just fire them all. We'll even have Donald Trump do a show where he just fires everyone. You're fired.
You're fired.
And we make women world leaders. Only 15% of psychopaths are women. And all these world leaders, Biden, Trump, Putin, all of them, they're all a bunch of psychopaths. Solutions at Joey's Food Fight. Okay, look at this. Onion, garlic, sausage. This sausage is spicy and salty. I'm not going to season till the end. You got wine. You got chicken broth. This is going to simmer for a half hour. Then we're going to add the veggies and we're going to toss it with the pasta. And we got herbs. Let's put the herbs in the pasta. Ready? Parsley, oregano, basil. Now when I go to Israel, I'm going to cook for kids. I'm so fed up with adults, especially men leaders. Remember, get women in power. The best leaders I had in my life were Mary Sue and Susan. The Border Grill, they were the two hot tamales on the Food Network. They were the beginning of the food. Mary Sue and Susan. Maybe we can share this video with them. Best leaders ever. Men suck. Got the Parmesan cheese. Got the pasta. Now, when we get back in about 30 minutes, this will have simmered down and we'll add the vegetables. Mushroom, broccoli, peppers. I love. Look at that. Look at all that broth. And that broth is basically the liquid from the mushrooms, white wine, chicken broth. And I just baked it. I call this pasta alla babs. With the oregano, garlic, basil, and parsley. It's kind of like a Vesuvio sauce with the wine and the broth. Check it out. Check out this pasta. Pour this over the pasta. Look at that. Look at that. Food porn. Look at that. Woo! Oh my God. Ready? please try it. Here,
So good.
you want to try the sausage?
I already did.
Our sausage is spicy.
But not like crazy.
And the cheese and the herbs and the pasta, it's a perfect dish. Which my mommy created, sort of. When I was going to culinary school, I bought her some culinary books and she took a recipe and went with it. Look at all this broth. The pasta absorbs the broth. All the veggies make the broth even more flavorful.
And it will melt the cheese.
And think about this dish tomorrow, when it all sits overnight, and then the next day you plop a plate in the microwave, and you have the most amazing next day leftovers. Better the next day because the pasta absorbs the broth. Love you.